Hi, my name is Joko Supriyanto from SMK Negeri Klaten, grade 12, SIJA B. Now I want to share about how to use Google Translate. Google Translate is very useful for those who are still struggle in translating from one language to another. Google Translate will help you translate any language you type into any other language you want. For those who don't know how to use Google Translate, here are some steps to use Google Translate. First, open your web browser and then type or search Google Translate and then select the first one. In here, select the language you want to translate on the left side and then select upload language on the right side. Then copy or write the text you want to translate on the left column. Then the text will be translated automatically and will appear in the right column. That's it, how to use Google Translate. Hopefully it's useful. Bye.